Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you want to make the watercolor painting like this? However, if you would like to make it digitally, don't worry guys, because AI surprisingly can help you to create this stunning and also beautiful watercolor painting guys. And the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and this is the example of the watercolor painting I made. Is about the red velvet cake, but the look will be like the watercolor painting like this. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this? It is very easy, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to create it from your another favorite AI image generator, don't worry guys, because you can go with it and also explore with it guys. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And here we will also create it in the landscape look, or in the ratio 16:9. So I will start it from this Try Nano Banana, and this is the look of the home page after I did the login or the sign up. And after that, you can put your prompt into this section, for example like this, and you can simply put the prompt. And since we would like to create it into the watercolor painting, then don't forget to put it into this detail, for example like this: watercolor illustration of a rich red velvet cake slice, like this, complete with a cream cheese swirl or the heart decoration on top, like this. This is the additional detail. And also presented on a simple white plate, and also the background is soft and abstract with the splashes of red and beige paint. And also the food, this picture will be categorized as the food art and in the bakery style. So this is the splash of the watercolor paint. And also this is the simple plate, white simple plate, something like that. And you can also adjust the aspect ratio over here and choose this one. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output on this section. And you can also give this prompt a screenshot to try into your version guys. And after that, you can also copy it from the description box that I will put it there, and you can try to generate this picture with your another AI image generator. And after waiting for maybe 15 seconds, this is the final result or the final output. Well guys, this is actually the same prompt that I used before. However, with using this one prompt, you can also create the another version of the watercolor painting. And if you feel like you need to rerun it again, or if you want to get another result, don't worry, because you can click rerun this turn in this section or in this section guys. For example, I will click in this section and kindly wait for the another output. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.